those low blows. Don't hit him in the dick. That's scary business. Ooh.
He's got quick hands, Garrick. What are you up to? Is he gonna take that? Yeah, Garrick's just gonna take
got
it.
this slam.
Oh, shit's getting intense real fast.
I know, you can already hear their breathing.
Oh!
Woo! Garrick's just pulling him.
Fuck! That knocked him out.
Let's get real. Me and Braxton are gonna break 100 feet.
Don't jump around as much, Tommy.
Superman!
I mean, keep your feet moving, but not that much.
Kick him in the gut.
Back up. Look, now we're going to the left. Keep going,
Take him.
come on.
That reach, though. 1 minute.
Let's not get on their driveway just so I don't get...
Eric, go ham. What are you doing?
Come on, what's up?
Hello, car. Hello, you can preamp if you want.
Keep going.
Who's that?
Alright, make it good for him. Make it good for him. Come on. So just hold up. Watch. Hands up, hands up.
Yeah.
Hey, don't throw your hands down, Garrick.
Head low, kidney punch.
Come on. There you go.
Ah, too quick. How do I do it?
Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Look, he's got his hands down. He's tired. Start throwing. Come on. Woo. Don't hit me.
I'm gonna kick you. Whoa.
Watch those
He bleeding?
haymakers. Come on. Every time he drops his hand, he throws a haymaker. Probably.
Give him a timer, man.
Like that. Come on.
Oh.
There you go.
You still going? Redemption time, 30 seconds, toes to toes.
That's gay. That's gay.
Means you touch toes and just go at it.
Mouth's bleeding.
You're alright,
Yeah.
you're alright.
His mouth's bleeding.
Suck it up. Probably the braces, dude.
Yeah,
Got caught
that's
on
what I'm
his lip.
saying. It's kind of
Dude, on the street fight. And like,
Ooh, there you go. I split my lips so much when I had braces.
Don't finish that
Watch him drop those hands. Watch him drop those hands. Right there, right there, right there. Every
Get
time.
him on the hood.
Yeah, watch that car. Don't hit it.
Feels like 40.
Come on. Yeah.